Another interesting tool for creating shapes is here, counter tool. It's for offsetting lines. For example, if we have a simple shape with a simple stroke here, then a simple open line is for offsetting the open or closed shapes. For doing that, you just select counter tool and then just click and drag. And as you can see, it offset the curves based on the main curve to the two sides. And as you can see, this is a radius. You can do it manually here or just with simple click and drag to the left and right. Or you can click and drag on any object that you want. It's countering, offsetting the line. As you can see, this is a main object. It's offset the object. It's actually bigger or make the bigger or smaller object based on the main object. And the miter, it's for edges. You can choose the miter at a very dense. For example, click this object like this, close it, then counter tool, and I think you can see better the mitering here. I give you some examples for that. But here is for changing the shape of the counter type. It's smooth, round. This is a miter. Of course, this is for mitering. You now can change the miter here. When you have a sharp edges. Here, you can change the shape of the object to the bevel. And the counter cap, it's for open line. You can see here, it's in cap. Select that. And you can click and drag it. As you can see, this is a main line. It is going non-cap if you want, round cap, or you can square it. Non, round, square. Counter fill. For example, for this, you can open force close it. It's close the line, or open it again, or automatically doing that. It's automatically create a stroke and close object for you. Or in this case, you can make a hole, force open. You can see you can make a hole to object and doing something interesting like this if you want. Make it to the round if you want. This is a counter tool. It's very simple and easy. And with a stroke, you can change the strokes if you want. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.